Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this Apple USB-C 20-watt power adapter. So here's the packaging. And this is for fast charging my iPhone. All right, here we go. That's always such a good feeling. Peeling that tab off. Let's go. All right. What's in here? Some warranty summary. Nothing exciting, I'm sure, so I will not bore you all with that. Here's what it looks like. So just like cardboard packaging, just comes out like that. Here's where your USB-C cable goes into, and designed by Apple in California. Oh. There you have it, USB-C 20-watt power adapter. Cool, this looks great. I'm excited to use it. Hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. See you next time. Bye.